Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming compatibility and clearing obstacles. Check that your phone or accessory supports Ki or the manufacturer's wireless standard, then remove thick cases or metal plates that block charging. Once done, place the device flat on the charging pad aligned with the center coil. Make sure to enable wireless charging in device settings if there's a toggle. These initial steps ensure power can flow and prevent heat buildup before you proceed to power and placement. Next, connect the charging pad to a suitable power adapter and outlet. Use the manufacturer-recommended 5V/2A or higher adapter for reliable output. You should place your device so its center coil aligns with the pad's indicator or logo. Small shifts can stop charging, so center precisely. Once placed, observe the pad's LED or your device's charging status. You'll see a confirmation icon or animation. If charging starts, you're set. If not, adjust position and power connections incrementally. To finish, leave the device centered on the pad until it reaches a safe charge level and avoid stacking other devices or accessories on top. Make sure to monitor temperature briefly. Slight warmth is normal, but excessive heat needs intervention. If charging fails, one key troubleshooting tip is to remove the case and reboot the phone, then reseat it on the coil. This fixes most alignment or software detection issues. If problems persist, test with a different adapter or charging pad to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.